In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset edits in Darktable. If you've been experimenting with a photo and want to roll back changes, Darktable makes it easy to step back gracefully or wipe the slate clean, all without touching your original file. Let's walk through the options so you can choose the one that fits the moment. First, if you only need to back up a few tweaks while you're in the darkroom view, use the Quick Undo and Redo shortcuts. Press Ctrl+Z to move backward through your edit history, one change at a time. Each press walks you back a single adjustment, so you can stop exactly where the image looks right. If you go a step too far, press Ctrl+Y to redo and move forward again. Watch the image carefully as you step. This approach is perfect for fine-tuning when you're not trying to erase everything. Just nudge your way to a previous look. When you want a more direct jump, turn to the history stack. Every change you make is recorded there and listed in order, so you can see your entire editing trail. Open the history stack panel in Darkroom. If it's collapsed, expand it to show the list. You'll notice an entry at the top labeled Original Image. That's your safety net. Click Original Image, and Darktable instantly resets the photo to how it looked before any edits were applied. You'll see the image revert immediately, which is especially helpful if you want to evaluate your starting point or demonstrate a before and after comparison without deleting anything just yet. If you're certain you want to remove all the later steps completely, you have two options in the same area. Choose Compress History Stack or use the Reset Parameters button. Either route discards all edits after the original, effectively clearing the slate so your image is treated as fresh. This is useful when you're ready to abandon a previous direction and start over cleanly. Keep in mind that once you discard those steps, you won't be able to move forward to them with Redo because they're no longer in the stack. Make sure the reset is what you want before confirming. To recap, use Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y for careful step-by-step adjustments. Click Original Image in the History stack to instantly view your unedited starting point, and when you need a full clean reset, compress the History stack or use the Reset Parameters button to discard everything after the original.